on behalf of Colin and I, no, it is really proud moment for myself and Trevi Conwyn. I know the effort that's been put in by my colleagues, and both from the staff and from the board, as well as supporting this, and it is an achievement. You know, we're only a young organisation, being born in 2008 ourselves, but in terms of our journey and the nature of the communities that we work in terms of, you know, over 1,100 specific properties for older persons, but also probably a lot of older persons living within the rest of our stock. So it is a large population that we serve within our communities of older people, and I think dementia is, you know, one of those growing issues within our communities, and I think it is, well, our duty in a way that we ensure that our colleagues are well aware of that and how to deal with people suffering from dementia, raising that awareness and making sure that, you know, it's not an uncomfortable topic to be discussed. So, you know, I'm really pleased to accept this. I'm sure Colin is as well on behalf of Trevi Conwyn. Thank you.